So, for today's video, mga quick review lang tayo ng isang Bluetooth speaker again na below 1,000 with RGB lights. So, this Bluetooth speaker is none other than Soundcore by Anker Pyro Mini. Ayan, this is a portable Bluetooth speaker with dynamic light and sound. So, kung napanood nyo na yung isang video about the Aura Share, yung DS04, ayun, andyan lang yan sa description below. Ilalagay ko yung link dyan para mapanood nyo. And you can compare sa gagawin ko ngayong review dito. So, what to expect nga ba in this video? Of course, we will test this one. Ano ba yung mga features niya? And ano yung overall reviews ko para dito? We can also make some comparison. Pero, I will give my ano na lang, kumbaga, own opinion, since nga, again, nagtrabaho na ako sa gadget store, alam ko na yung mga tunugan ng JBL, Harman Kardon, and of course, Marshall, mga ganyan, etc. etc. So, no further ado, let's go to the features and specifications of this Bluetooth speaker. So, first, what's inside the box? Of course, the Bluetooth speaker, this one. Then, meron din siyang manual. Ayan. And of course, the Type-C cable. Ayan. The good thing about sa mga Bluetooth speaker ngayon, it is made of, Type-C cable na siya. So, hindi na mahirap. Just in case, diba? You can use the charger, your cell phone charger. So for the main features, guys, it has an advanced connection, deep bass, multiple light effects, ultra long 10-hour playback, pero depende pa rin po yan sa paggamit, guys, and a powerful 6 watts audio. Ayan. So, yun yung mga main features niya. So for the price, guys, this is 1,350 SRP. Nagkaroon ng mega discount sa Shopee. Naging siyang 995. Then, nung 10/10 sale, I got it in as low as 766. Ganun po siya kababa. Kaya, minsan, bumibili talaga ako, guys, pag discounted ang item. So, no further ado, iti-test na natin to, guys. Okay, on na natin. In fairness naman sa kanya, kakaiba siya. Hindi siya yung the Bluetooth device is connected. And of course, as you can see, ang ganda na nung lighting, guys. LED lights po yan. Ayan. So, i-connect ko na siya sa aking, ayan, Redmi Note, Note 13. Ayan. 4G. Note 13 4G. Tapos, ayan. Soundcore, Pyro Mini. Ayan. And maghanap tayo ng non-copyright music. Wait lang. Ayan, let's try this one. Again, I'm using YouTube. I believe depende pa rin yan, guys, sa ating gagamitin na app, kasi minsan iba yung sound sa music talaga nung cellphone mo, and iba rin po sa Spotify, then iba rin dito sa YouTube or sa YouTube Music. Wala pang kalahati, guys. So, ganito mag-change ng lights, guys. Press mo lang. So, for my final verdict, guys. Final verdict. This is a very good portable Bluetooth speaker. Narinig nyo naman yung bass niya. Pero yun na nga, overall, for this price, this is a good portable Bluetooth speaker. You can carry it kahit saan. And guys, this is not a waterproof, so wag nyo pong babasain. Pero this is like ang ganda niyang ipang-design sa kwarto. Kasi nga, hindi lang siya Bluetooth speaker. It's like, it's serving like a lamp light, LED light. So, parang 2-in-1 na kayo dito. Kasi, kahit itambay nyo lang siyang ganyan, ang ganda na ng, ng kwarto, pang-design. Pero, yun nga, beside of its light effects, multiple light effects to be exact. Kasi, ang dami nga effects na nagawa natin kanina. So, yeah, this is a must-have for a less than 1,000 pesos. Again, I can compare it to JBL Go, mga ganun. JBL Go, yung mga mababa lang. Kasi, pag mataas na, wala na. Yung bass talaga. Narinig yung chugs, chugs, chugs. Ganun. Ganun yung mga bass na pangmalakasan. Pero guys, again, depende pa rin yan sa mga music natin. If you are fan of yung mga jazz, mga acoustic, country, ganyan. Depende po yan. Pero as you can hear naman, yung yung sound is good. I cannot, kasi ng melody kasi baka makopyright tayo. Pero, ginamit ko na to and I can say that clear voice to, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching until this end of the video. And I hope to see you to my next video. And sana more Bluetooth speaker that we can showcase to you guys para may mga options kayo sa pamimili ng Bluetooth speaker. Again, this is a less than 1,000 na Bluetooth speaker. Ayan. Napaka-legit, guys. Bye!